2024 Wealth Creation with Buffett. Building wealth is a desire that many people have, and investing is a key method that can help them reach this objective. If you have only $1,000 to invest this year and want to see that money increase, you've come to the right place. Whether this is the only $1,000 you have available to invest or you intend to invest additional money in the future, this guide will assist you in making the most informed choices. Welcome to Money Ocean, the channel that delves into everything about finance, making money, and the secrets of successful people. You're in the right place, whether you're looking to build wealth, learn about investments, or find inspiration in the stories of financial giants. Get ready to uncover the strategies that can help you grow your wealth this year. The first thing we should do is talk about what you should do if you only have $1,000 to invest and do not plan on adding any more money in the near future. It is possible that you could consider investing this money in the stock market or even in riskier assets. Although this is a commendable move, it is crucial to thoroughly understand the potential outcomes. Let's say that the stock market is performing very well, resulting in a return of 25% over the course of a year. In comparison to the typical return, this is a much higher amount. On the other hand, if you invested only $1,000, you would receive a return of $250. Even if a professional investor could be overjoyed with such a return, $250 is not enough to completely transform one's life. Some people consider savings accounts or certificates of deposits because they guarantee returns. That being said, as of the start of 2023, the typical return on a savings account is only 0.33%. Over the course of 5 years, your $1,000 would only grow to approximately $1,016, despite the fact that certificates of deposits offer slightly higher rates, approximately 1.37%. Your $1,000 will only become $1,068 after 5 years. When it comes to investments, one of the best ones you can make is in yourself. Warren Buffett asserts that self-education and personal development hold immense value. When you acquire new talents, you raise your value to potential employers, which in turn allows you to command better compensation. There are a lot of different industries that are looking for people with skills, like marketing and coding, for example. Buffett's longtime collaborator, Charlie Munger, recommends that individuals embrace the concept of lifelong learning. If you have more knowledge, you will be able to increase both your riches and your happiness, increasing your earning potential through book purchases, classes, and seminars can be a major investment. In this day and age of digital technology, the process of generating additional revenue is easier than it has ever been. Despite the fact that beginning a new business or a side hustle requires effort, the potential rewards are substantial. As soon as your company begins to create money, you have the option of reinvesting it in order to further expand the business or investing it in the stock market in order to build wealth over the long run. Having a reliable source of income and the ability to make consistent investments puts you in a better position. Keep in mind that investing in your education should always be your top priority. Nonetheless, let's investigate additional opportunities for increasing your wealth through investments. You might ask, why is passive income so important? It is essential to have passive income in order to achieve financial independence. Warren Buffett famously said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until the day you die." Investing in the stock market is the most prevalent method of generating passive income. If you want to avoid picking specific equities, you should think about index funds. Index funds, which aggregate several different equities, mitigate the risk of losing all your money in the event of one firm's failure. If, for example, you invest in an index fund that follows the top 500 corporations in the United States, your investment will increase in tandem with the economy. Well-known index funds like VOO and SPY aim to mimic the performance of the S&P 500. I would recommend VGT or QQQ for exposure to technology. When it comes to dividend payouts, VYM and SDY are both excellent options to consider. The companies included in these funds pay out dividends, providing fund members with a consistent source of revenue. Investing a portion of your money on a consistent basis will allow you to maximize your earnings. You can prevent yourself from spending money that is intended for investments by setting aside 10 to 15% of your paycheck and invest it automatically with that money. Buffett advises not to save what remains after spending, but to spend what remains after saving. The purchase of real estate is yet another efficient method for increasing one's wealth. While $1,000 is not sufficient to purchase a home, there are other possibilities available. By using real estate crowdfunding platforms, you can combine your funds with those of other investors to finance real estate projects. You generate profits as the property either appreciates in value or yields rental income. Having said that, this investment is less liquid than equities, which means that you will have a more difficult time withdrawing your money. REITs are a type of real estate investment trust. Investing in real estate through REITs is an additional option that does not involve purchasing property. Those trusts are the owners and operators of income-generating real estate, and they pay dividends on their earnings. Some real estate investment trusts, such as VNQ and USRT, offer exposure to real estate markets and typically pay larger dividends. Paying off debt is a productive use of your money, especially if you are not yet prepared to make investments in the stock market or real estate. Buffett warns about the disadvantages of high-interest loans. It is equivalent to gaining a return of 4% on your money if you pay off a loan with an interest rate of 4% early. If you reduce your debt, you may be able to free up more of your income for future investments. In order to amass riches in 2024, it is necessary to make prudent financial choices and to make continuous investments. To be successful in any endeavor, whether it be paying off debt, investing in yourself, the stock market, or real estate, the most important thing is to take action and remain committed. Following these guidelines inspired by Warren Buffett will set you on the path to financial success. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the depths of financial wisdom. We hope you found today's episode on wealth creation with Warren Buffett's insights valuable. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Stay tuned for more tips, tricks, and stories from the world of finance, right here on Money Ocean. Until next time, keep navigating your way to financial success.